Hey, my YouTube family. I'm opening up some gifts. This is the bag. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I haven't opened up anything yet, and I hope you guys had a great Christmas. All right, this is the first gift right here. The Jessica Simpson top and the pants. So that's one. Here is number two. Gift number two. Let's see what this is, y'all. Gift number two. Oh, isn't that cute? The big cup. So that's the second one. And this comes with a little flower you can put on it. Or that's for the straw, to cover the straw. So this is the second one. Second gift, guys. This is number three. My son gave me this. That's number three. And this is number four. That's cute. A M necklace with an M. And this is gift number five. My daughter got me from Aveda. I love this box. Let's open this up. Let's see. Let's get this open. All right, let's turn it this way. Gift number five. Okay. All right. It's some face products, guys. Some face cleaning products from Aveda. So I'm going to put those back in the box. So that's what that was. Gift number five. And gift number six for my little sister. It's a Ross gift card. Okay. And gift number seven. Let's see. It fell out. Oh, boy. Let's see, guys. Number seven is a smartwatch. That's what I got. That's gift number seven, a smartwatch. All right, guys. Number eight is wireless headphones. That's gift number eight. This is gift number nine. Some colognes. 9 and 10. These two colognes. So that's 10 gifts. And number 11 is a small portable sewing machine. So that's gift 11, guys. And 12 is another cologne spray. Perfume spray. That's 12. 12 gifts. And here's some more from Aveda. Some eye cream. eye cream, and some other little things to go with it. Face and eye cream. So that's 13 gifts, guys. So let's see what else. And some socks. That's 14. 15. So that's 15 gifts, guys. And a keychain. 16. Papa Smurf. Makes me think of my dad. And the watch, guys. The smartwatch. I'm going to open it up so I can show y'all. That's how it looks. The smartwatch. And that's the band. And the charger. And the plate that goes on the back. So that's it, guys. I've been real nice this year. It's a blessing to be thought of, which I wasn't thinking about any gifts, to be honest with you guys. So that is it, guys. I wanted to share my gifts with you all. So that's what I got. And I hope you guys have had a wonderful Merry Christmas, because Christmas is not about gifts. It's about love and sharing love and spending time with your family. So that's what it's about to me. So like I said, guys, I hope you had excuse me, a great Christmas. I know I did with family and friends. And I hope you guys had a wonderful Friday. So thanks for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.